Hey guys, I'm here at SalonCentric Education Loft with Modern Salon, and I want to show you my tip of the day, which is how to apply a root smudge. So I have my model all prepped and ready. You want to make sure that there's not enough moisture on the hair, a lot of moisture on the hair. So if you touch it with your glove, you can't see any water. Next, you want to make sure that it's all combed out. Easy to get through. I love this YS Park comb. This is also a go-to product to make sure that the hair is detangled, okay? So then you take your smudge and apply it across both parts of the section. Speed is everything when it comes to smudging, because you only want to leave it on 1 to 3 minutes. So if it takes you a lot longer than that to apply, you'll end up uneven or too dark in some spots. And remember, we are just applying this at the regrowth. We don't want to ruin all the beautiful highlights that we just did. And as you get closer to the face, have a much finer bead. Okay, and then same thing throughout the top from this side.